Well, it's September 4th, 2024. I'm on the road here on my way to the homeland. It's north central Montana. Kind of where it all started for me as a kid growing up there. 23 years in the making, finally drew a pretty coveted archery elk tag there. And just a place I have a lot of history, a lot of sentimental value. Spent a lot of time with my father hunting there, and so it's pretty surreal to come back and have an opportunity to finally have a tag for myself and hunt elk. So gonna give it a little bit of time, gonna mule deer hunt for a few days, and then gonna start getting after the elk probably mid-September or earlier, see how things go. But pretty excited to go home and be able to spend some time with my family, be there with my mom, and kind of traveling back and forth. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome experience. I'm excited to see what this September's going to bring. Well, we're heading out for the first evening hunt. It's 93 degrees, so been pretty warm. I've been deer hunting, but we're gonna go and look at some elk tonight. So 23 years, draw this tag, literally leaving my mom's house and driving about 35-40 minutes, go elk hunt. Wish I could have done this more when I was a kid. It's the third day I've been out. Weather's kind of been all over the place. It's pretty windy today. It's been smoky. It was in the 90s, it was in the 40s the other morning. So just kind of sporadic weather, seeing a lot of elk, a lot of good bulls, just not anything. You wait years to draw a tag like this. Just got plenty of time. And then the month of September. Making a climb. Spotted a really good bull this morning. Pretty sure I put him to bed. He's 2 fingers over, so I'm gonna keep working my way up this ridge. Got the wind. Probably gonna sit on him, try to relocate him again, and then make a plan. He's big, really big. Well, it was another successful day in the elk woods. Day 6.
unexpected storm blowing in. Really nice mature bull, heavy, beautiful bull. Just smoked it. 58 yards going down below in front of us. I made an absolutely perfect shot. Well, it's October 1st. Been hunting since September 10th, 9th or 10th. I think I'm on day 23. I've been hunting straight. Pretty awesome tag here to be able to come home basically and hunt. I'll always remember October 1st.